Welcome back to Psych Life, where we are enhancing everyday life with psychology. We have an exciting video on 10 proven psychological ways to get a girl to like you. This is all based on proven psychological principles and research that actually works. Do these 10 things and she will surely fall for you. Number 1, be genuine. Authenticity is attractive. Be yourself and let your true personality shine through. This includes not being fake or pretending to be someone you are not. For example, if you have a hobby or interest, share it with her. She'll appreciate that you have interests and want to introduce her to them. Number 2, show confidence. Confidence is often seen as an attractive trait. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and speak clearly. For instance, if you're on a date, sit up straight, look her in the eye, and speak confidently about your interests. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, confidently share a story about your favorite dish to make and why you love it. We have a video on how you can boost your confidence, and it will be linked in the description. Number 3, gentle touch. Physical touch, when done correctly, can be a game changer. A guy who shows restraint and is mindful with his touch really stands out. Light, casual touches on the arm or shoulder during conversation can build a connection without being invasive. Pay attention to her body language. If she seems comfortable, continue. If she touches you back, it's a good sign. If she pulls away, give her space. The key is to show restraint. Too much too soon can feel overwhelming and could turn her off. Number 4, practice good hygiene and grooming. I know this should be a no-brainer, but taking care of your appearance shows that you respect yourself and others. Shower, use deodorant, and dress well. Smelling nice also hits another sense, which will draw her to you, but don't overdo it. 1 to 2 spritzes of cologne is plenty. Number 5, be a good listener. Pay attention to what she says. Show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings, and ask follow-up questions. For example, if she talks about her favorite book, ask her what she likes about it and discuss it further. And a surefire way to impress her is to bring up something she shared later. This will impress her on how well you were listening and that you are showing genuine interest. Number 6, use humor. A good sense of humor can be very attractive. Sharing laughter helps build a connection. For instance, don't be afraid to share a funny story or joke as long as it's appropriate and lighthearted. You can share one of your most embarrassing moments that you can laugh about now. Not only will you share a laugh together, but she'll also appreciate your willingness to be a bit vulnerable, which shows trust. Number 7, show kindness and compassion. Being kind and compassionate not only makes you more likable, but also shows that you can be a supportive partner. Girls look to see how kind and caring a guy is, especially towards others. Being kind to her is a given, but if you can show kindness to someone else, this will really impress her because she'll interpret it as you genuinely having a kind heart. Number 8, share common interests. Finding and sharing common interests can help build a stronger connection. Engage in activities that you both enjoy. If you both like hiking, plan a hiking trip together. This is also where your listening skills come into play. What did you hear her say that she likes to do or is interested in? Plan an outing for those things. She'll be very impressed that not only were you listening, but you also made an effort to share in that interest. Number 9, show ambition and passion. Having goals, ambitions, and passions makes you more attractive. It shows that you have direction in life. For example, talk about your career goals or a project you're passionate about. Ambition shows you have a sense of purpose and motivation. Clear goals suggest you are stable and have a plan for your future, which also shows confidence. Highly attractive traits. Number 10, display emotional intelligence. Strong emotional intelligence is the number 1 predictor of successful relationships. Understand and manage your emotions and be empathetic towards others. For example, if she's had a tough day, show empathy by listening and offering support without immediately trying to fix the problem. I know you're going to want to fix it. Fight that urge. Sometimes just being there to listen is what she needs. We have a video with tips on strengthening your emotional intelligence linked in the description. Remember, these tips aren't just about making someone like you, they're also about building a healthy, respectful, and meaningful relationship. Use these 10 tips and you will win her heart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on improving your life with psychology.